Hey everyone, welcome back to SaaStrack, your trusted stop for deep dives into the best software tools powering modern work. Today, we're tackling a real-world problem many of us face, needing access to a work computer when we're miles away from it. Whether you're supporting a remote team, managing IT for a growing business, or just helping out a friend with tech issues from afar, remote access software is one of those must-haves. So we've tested and compared the best options out there, and one tool that really stood out to us is Zoho Assist. Let's walk you through why. First things first, if you haven't already created a Zoho Assist account, go ahead and do that. The process is simple. Just fill in your basic details like Gmail, mobile node, password, or you can log in also using Google and other options. Once that's done, you'll be asked to verify your email, and just like that, you're in. After logging in, let us start with the interface. Zoho Assist keeps things simple and easy to navigate. The dashboard is refreshingly uncluttered. Everything is exactly where you'd expect it, whether you're a tech expert or a first-time user. What really impressed us is the neatly arranged sidebar. From here, you can quickly jump into live remote sessions, set up unattended access, meetings, AR assistants, or pull up detailed reports without feeling lost. No digging through menus, no complicated learning curve. Under remote support, you'll find everything you need to start helping a customer in real time. You can invite them by entering their email address, or simply share your screen for demos or training sessions. After entering the client's email, just click Start Now. Zoho Assist will immediately send an invitation to join the session. From the client's side, all they have to do is open the email, click the link, and install a lightweight app to begin the session. Back on our end, once the customer joins, we get full control options. We can share screens, request access, send files, and even use the built-in chat for communication, beginning with remote support. Once connected, the client sees a mirrored view of what we're sharing. It's responsive and real-time, with options for full-screen viewing and control over your client's screen. We can also toggle features like request control, network stats, and send files without interrupting the flow of the session. When we're done, ending a session is just one click. Now let's look at unattended access, a standout feature if you're managing systems without needing the client present. Here, we can set up access to devices remotely and securely. All we need to do is share a deployment link with the client. Once they install the small utility via that link and grant permission, the device appears in our Zoho dashboard. It's perfect for IT teams that manage multiple machines across locations. Whether it's for routine maintenance or late-night troubleshooting, you'll always have access, even if no one's at the other end. Zoho Assist also includes a report section where we can view detailed logs of every remote session. You can filter by type, remote support, unattended access, customer support, etc., which is especially useful for audits or team feedback. Under settings, there's a ton of flexibility. You can manage technicians, assign departments, support portal, and other configurations to fit your workflow. Zoho Assist offers 3 tiers for remote support: standard, professional, and enterprise, and 2 for unattended access, standard and professional. The standard plans cover essential features like file transfer, voice chat, and multi-monitor navigation. As you move to higher tiers, you unlock advanced tools such as session recording, remote script execution, mobile device support, and up to 6 concurrent sessions. The tiers are designed to scale with your needs, making Zoho Assist a flexible and cost-effective solution for individuals, small teams, and large IT departments alike. So, what's the verdict? Zoho Assist is reliable, secure, and surprisingly easy to use. Whether you're offering technical support, conducting onboarding sessions, or managing a remote IT infrastructure, it delivers a professional-grade experience that doesn't require complicated setup or training. The free trial gives you full access to most features, so we highly recommend giving it a spin. If this review helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to SaaStrack for more honest reviews, tutorials, and deep dives into the tools that keep your business moving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.